Hilary threatens Baja California with hurricane-force winds. This is Typhoon Documentaries, and we bring you the news update on Hurricane Hilary. News location at 3:40 AM MDT today is at 20.9 degrees north and 113.2 degrees west. NHC's news analysts show maximum sustained winds reaching 215 km per hour, slightly lower than the previous 230 km per hour. We continue to see very impressive satellite imagery for large and well-defined eye in the center, and large convective bands developing to the northeast and reaching Baja California. Though IR imagery shows some thinning of convection in the western semicircle, which shall be evidence the storm is pulling cool air from the north. The latest environment analysts indicate the storm shall enter an environment with lower sea surface temperatures reaching as low as 26 degrees Celsius at rather high shear of around 20 knots, which should start or accelerate the system's weakening trend, which support the NHC's forecast cone. A hurricane warning is placed within Punta Abijolos to Cabo San Quintin for watch in effect for Cabo San Quintin to Ensenada. Tropical storm warning is in effect in the rest of Baja California Peninsula for a hurricane warning, with mainland Mexico reaching as south as Guamas, California and Mexico border up to Point Mugu and the Catalina Islands. Puerto Bannoto to Guamas are also placed with a tropical storm watch. There shall be a rather high chance that the western portion of Baja California will be under impact of hurricane-force winds. The entire peninsula and parts of California could be under the impact of tropical storm-force winds. Along with strong winds, Hilary could also produce a life-threatening storm surge with destructive waves and trigger flooding as stated by the NHC. Tornadoes are also possible to touch down in Las Vegas and the area near Imperial Valley, indicated by SPC's tornadoes outlook in 2 days. Swells could also affect Mexico, Southern California, and the Baja California Peninsula. There is a high risk of flash flooding triggered by Hilary's excessive rainfall later on. There's a high chance of flooding through Monday morning in the southern parts of California, and Las Vegas, San Diego, and Los Angeles is placed under a medium risk. It remains traversing over the northwestern parts of the United States, could also cause flooding among the northwestern states. In terms of rainfall, the Baja California Peninsula is expected to experience rain up to 15 inches, with Southern California expected to have 2 to 10 inches of rain in the next 3 days as Hilary tracks further inland. More updates will be provided on our next shorts advisory around 9 AM MDT today. For further information, please seek official info from National Hurricane Center or your National Meteorological Service.